I like number 16, even though I've never had to do this in real life. It's still a good question. Melody is making a spinner with a 12-inch diameter for a game. She will divide the following spinner into sections. So she has 4 sections, A, B, C, and D, and we're given the angles for each sector of the spinner. What is the area in square inches of section C? So the section in question is right here. This is sector C, and they want us to find the area of that section. So we're definitely dealing with area of a circle. So let me write that formula down. And I believe they give you this one on your formula sheet. Let me look to see. Yes, area is pi times radius squared. So if you forget the formula, you have it on your sheet. And we're looking for area. So leave that in there. Pi, I can substitute as needed. But we need to know the radius. Now they tell me that the diameter is 12 inches. So the radius would be half that, or 6 inches. And so the area is pi times the radius squared. That would be 36. Now be careful, the answer is not B. I wish it were, but it's not. This is for the whole circle, right? That's the area for that entire spinner. We need to know the section identified by C. And this is where I'm going to use that 45 degrees. I know that a whole circle is 360. And if you reduce that to lowest terms, that's going to be 1/8. So this section C is 1/8 of the circle. So I want to know 1/8 of 36 pi, 1/8 of the area. Of means multiply. So if I just multiply my fractions right here, or the fraction and the whole number, I get 1 times 36, 8 on the bottom, and don't lose pi. If you do 8 divided by 36 divided by 8, you are going to get 4.5 pi. That's actually the answer you want. So it's C as in Charlie. A lot of students will choose 36 pi because they get that for the area of the whole circle. But we don't want the whole circle. We only want sector C. That's a hard problem, but it's a good problem. It's testing a lot of different things there. If I wrote the high set, I would use this problem because I'm getting to test lots of things with one question. But it is not an easy one.